Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a video from photos in Revid.ai. So I will be on the official website and make sure you will have login with your Google account. And the next step is you will see there is a short video generator. So you will be just tab on it, and after next you will just add your video script if you have. If you don't have, you can just use like a chat GPT or perplexity dot websites to generate a short video script. So I will just paste it here, and the next step is you will a little bit scroll down. So from here is the customize option. So you can choose your own media, or you can just moving with the AI images which is built in Revid.ai. So from here, if I just tap on it, so if you want to add your own media, so you will just tap on it. You will just custom images or videos, you will just tap to click here and browse it and paste it here. But I will choose moving AI images, and next I will just select this default. And if I just a little bit scroll down, so you will just select a dark mode or light white. You will just specific general style optional here, and you will just select your voice record. You can also record your own voice, and if you want to just select the gender, I like male, so it shows me the male. So if I scroll down more, so I will just this is Brian is a random voice. I will just select it here, and you can also add your own audio or generated music. So I will just tap on this just create video. So it generating. So this is how you can just create a video from photos in the video. It's generating my video. So this is how you can create a video from photos in Revid.ai. So that's it. So I will just tap on it. My video is created, and let's see. So I will just play it.
A boy with a golden heart. In a small village, there lived a boy named Leo, known for his kindness. One day, he found a stray puppy shivering in the cold and took it home, nursing it back to health. His friends teased him for caring so much, but Leo smiled, saying, "Everyone deserves love."
So this is how you can just create a video from photos in Revid.ai. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.